Alright guys, welcome to the solution to the coding challenge that hopefully you just completed successfully. So the first point, hopefully you cleared all the code from the tutorial. I didn't want you just to be able to copy everything. Actually, I kind of cheated a little bit. I kept public class and public static void main, but the main things I wanted you to clear out were the scanner was really what I wanted you to clear out, so you had to do that again. Okay, so the second point was to prompt the user to enter the name of the month they were born. Okay, well that's pretty easy just to do that point. So let's go system.out.print, and we'll just go enter the month in which you were born. And I'll do a colon, space, whatever. That looks good. Okay, the next point was store the month in a string. Okay, so here we get into the scanner, or I guess the last point we really needed the scanner, but they're kind of combined. So we'll go, oops, wow, I am so bad at typing. Okay, import java.util.scanner, and that's going to import the scanner for us. And oh my gosh, oh my gosh, holy cow, hopefully you did not have such a hard time. Okay, I really hate my life right now. Okay, let's open this back up. Okay, jeez Louise. Okay, I think we're ready to go now. Where was I? Okay, scanner, we're creating the scanner now. Input is equal to, need new scanner, and here you type system.in, and this is what creates the scanner. You are probably laughing your butt off at how bad of a typer I am right now. I'm just trying to keep the keyboard quiet and under the desk so it doesn't bother you. Okay, so we have our scanner created, and now we need to get the month of the in which they were born. So we're going to create a string and just call it month, and set that equal to input.nextLine. If you remember, next line is what gets the string. Okay, so we have the month stored in a string now, so that's the first 3 bullet points. Okay, sounds good. So now it says, if the birth month has less than 7 letters, output something to the screen. This is really the meat of the challenge. This is really where you might have gotten stuck. So hopefully the first word of that bullet point being if, you kind of realize that you have to use an if statement here. And so if the birth month has less than 7 letters, so hopefully you remember from the string tutorial, what you had to do is you have to type the name of the variable of the string, and if you type dot, you have all those methods you can use. So if you type not contains, my gosh, sorry guys, I'm actually really sorry now how bad of a typer I am, but if you type month.length with the parentheses, that's going to return an int, and that's exactly what we want it to do. And so it says if the birth month has less than 7 letters, so we got to go less than 7. And what happens here is the user they enter their birth month into month, and the month.length returns how many characters, or essentially how many letters, are in this string in this birth month. So you'll just be getting right here, this is going to put in the integer for how many characters are in that string. You could have also created a variable, but I've been trying to let you guys know throughout the tutorials some shortcuts, and this is one of them. You can just put month.length right in here, and then that's the less than sign and the 7. Now if we put our opening curly bracket, hit enter, now we can type what we want to output to the screen inside the if statement. So if we type system.out.println, we can output something like just like short month A. Okay, that looks good, and we're still getting that warning with the scanner, so we should do input.close. Looks like I said, this is just good code. It's just good practice to always close your the input stream. So it looks like we're good. It looks like everything's going to work well. So let's test this code out. So if we run this code, Control F11, it's going to say enter the month in which you were born. So I'm going to enter April, and it says short month, eh? and it's exactly what we wanted. Okay, perfect. So now, just to be sure, let's run this again and enter the month in which you were born. And if we were to type February, nothing. That might be bad. We probably should have something to account for that, but that's exactly what we wanted it to do. So that's how you do it, guys. I hope you guys were able to get that. This might have been tricky with the month.length, but I think otherwise you probably should have been able to get it for the most part. But if not, if you have a different solution, let me know. If you couldn't get it, let me know. I'm always here to help. I love you guys. See you later.